Alicia and People husband. And we are on our way to a
OCHO Rios.
we are in OCHI. Thank you for blurting it out as per usual. But yeah, that is over there. We are in OCHI. We are having a little vacation staycation this weekend. We were looking forward to this all week. OMG, like looking forward to this all week. So Dave got today off from work. Ooh, you guys, it's just so, you guys can't even see the prettiness, like, sorry. But yeah, we are headed to where we're going to be staying for the weekend. And yeah, but we literally just got into OCHI, so I said let me start vlogging because I haven't vlogged all week. There's nothing to do at home in the day, you guys. I'm being a wife. I'm cleaning, cooking for myself. I'm cleaning and yeah, like just doing some like business work, like while I have the time that I can do work. Yeah, because I don't know if I had, well, I think I did say that ooh, that's pretty, it's Dolphin Cove, that I was stranded. But the good thing about it is that we are in Canada right now, in Toronto. We are under stay-at-home order. So for for any like seriously non-essential reasons, like no, not allowed. So we are literally only allowed to be outside for essential purposes. Everything locked down. My workplace is closed, so it worked out in my favor, so I can actually be here guilt-free a little bit longer, like a little bit longer. So I guilt-free get to celebrate my birthday in Jamaica, you guys. Like, I'm excited. My birthday is next weekend. Yeah, it's literally 10 days. No, now 9 days away. Yes. So next week Sunday is my birthday. I'm going to be 31 on the 31st. It's my champagne birthday. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long for this. Woo! But here we are. We're in OCHI. Yeah, girl. So yeah, when we get to where we are going, you guys, I will come back and talk to you. For now, I'm going to take in OCHI. for everybody who book out the place. So we could barely get to book it back. We are back at the Airbnb in OCHI. Oh my god, you guys. We had to come back. This place was so beautiful. Babe, go on now. This place is so beautiful. So, yeah, that is over there. For the next few days. Anting. So, make we unload.
Infinity, it's still there with the mashup. You remember this? God, I said the man left here so he didn't care Chris and go bust up. You remember it now? Yeah, I can't believe it. Now that man actually live there.
Anyways, we thank God so we reach.
You know, go wait to set up
It's perfect there. Alright. Are you looking? No. Go back. No. I mean, like, go straight. Go straight. Okay. Straight now. I gotta teach them how to drive. Alright, guys. Let me get in there and then I will come back to y'all. Okay? Outfit of the day. You know, you gotta be cute and sexy for your man and stuff. Like, baby, I came right out. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can get in first before we bring in the stuff. And then, yeah.
Are you off? You don't.
Let me look cute first. Wait, man. Mind my drop down the stairs. Alright guys, so we reached our destination. By the views, can you tell where I'm at? If I said it already, I do not know. If I said it already, but if I didn't, can you tell where I'm at? Can you guys tell where I'm at? Where I'm at? Something I dropped down. Where I'm at. Can you tell where I'm at? Hey. Where I'm at? Hey. Can you tell where I'm at? We're fully licensed now. Yeah guys, so we're back. See the chandelier, what the people them couldn't stop talking about. The chandelier. So we're back and the chandelier is still intact, okay? You guys, this is our like literally #1 favorite Airbnb we've ever stayed at thus far. So definitely had to come back. Now that there was an available time slot, because y'all be booking the hell out of this place. I feel like I don't want to share no more Airbnbs with y'all. I'm still gonna share, but I mean, like, damn. At least let the sister be able to be booked. My gosh. But anyways, as I said, we found an available weekend. It just happened to work out. So this is my pre-birthday weekend, and yeah, on to the AC. Why you shut it off? There we go. So yeah, don't run. We're reaching now. Mosquito bite me. So I'm gonna lie down for a little bit, guys, because we no, I'm not gonna sleep because we drove, you know, a while. It wasn't actually that bad. Actually, we got here, we wanted to get here for 3 and we got here at 3:02. So perfectly fine. So yeah, gonna relax. If something were interesting, I don't know where we're gonna eat today, but yeah, no, I just feel like it's, no, I don't. Yeah, so when we go on the road, or if anything more interesting happens, we will come back and talk to you guys. Until then, I am going to relax, because that is the purpose of this trip. So I'm going to go and relax with my man. Okay? Bye bye. So guys, yeah, we went on the road really quick. I needed to go get a razor because I have to shave my legs before we go out to dinner today. We are gonna go to Plantation Smokehouse. I have been dying to go there. Like, I have been stalking their Instagram page for like over a year now, if it's been that long. Literally, like, their food just looks so scrumdiddlyocious, and yeah, so I'm excited. I said I was not leaving Jamaica this trip and not going there, even if it was just specifically a drive out to go there. So made it happy go there. So, but we got some Sakura. I'll show you guys what I got when I get in. Quickly shave my legs, get ready, and then head out. It's live band Friday, so I'm excited.
Live band, you keep that tonight.
Anyways, so as I was saying, it's a live band today, so that should be a different vibe. And yeah, so hopefully the food is as good as it looks, although everybody that I know who has tried Plantation Smokehouse has always gone back and it's been nothing but great reviews, so I'm extremely excited. I already know what I want. So yeah, when more is to come, and go. I'm excited. I'm excited, you guys. OCHI is like literally one of our favorite places. Like favorite places. We got married in this parish. Like so many things. So yeah, I love it. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, guys, so black pepper chicken, noodles, rice, and sesame chicken. So freaking good. And sweet and sour sauce on the noodles and the rice. Bon appetit, okay? Bon appetit. You want some? You want some? I mean,
share some with the people.
My God, let me
share them. Spoon feed.
Sorry. No, I don't know what's wrong.
Man do, you know. It's for the ladies, them on the vlog.
So you can respond for the woman, and me respond for the man.
Alright, you see the man.
We can't. Why we can't feed the man? Okay, what I want first? Tell me what I want first. A, B, C, or D. R. Alright, let me do it like how them set it up. Them have rice and the crispy chicken and the noodle and the black chicken. So let me just get a little bit of the noodle upon the something. Ready? Hold on, let me ting it up for now. Good.
Better make sure you taste the same like Sakura.
See here. I wanna taste it first. I don't want pies. I don't want, anything happen to anybody. So me make gonna taste it first. Here you go. Hurry up. Don't be shy, man. I always share with you now. Come.
Okay.
Yeah. Nougat can't really.
Much more Sakura.
Nougat can't really mess up still. Alright, cause I watch weight and thing. New year, new me, new weight. Yeah. So I give you a little piece of black pepper chicken. I now look. Go and eat it. Alright. I think I need a piece with a bone in it, cause the flavor is there though. Alright, rice time. Alright, now look again. Well, I wanna stay some man. Alright. Rice can't boil and chicken. Go nice, man. Jesus.
I'm gonna get your portion here.
That's it. I'm gonna eat this shave and get ready. You get through? Okay.
I want to actually show before if you want a Jane
Or Canadian.
Canadian, my friend.
Anyways, guys.
Plantation.
We're on our way. We already passed Plantation because we had to find an ATM. And yeah, so we're heading back now. And yeah. We made it in time, hopefully. I hope the hours on the website are the exact same though, and they're actually closing at 10.
Oh, 10 them close, that means
Hopefully.
there's a curfew gonna live then, babe. Probably the curfew change gonna live.
Take time. Don't go out yet.
No.
Don't go out yet. Don't go out yet. Make the police all pass.
Wow. The police like them the
Oh no. You can go out. Just go out slow now. Jesus Christmas. Oh God, guys.
Plantation.
Fingers crossed, you guys, we get
This
in.
piece of bad driving on the road. Just fingers crossed.
Yeah, you guys, we literally just seen like almost an accident happen.
I want to overtake all in the oncoming traffic.
Yo,
and
like
unbroken white line to enough overtake.
Lord, just anyways, anytime we're up on the road, every day I pray. So whatever, but we pray hard when we're up on the road. Like when we go on a journey, we pray hard. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. You guys can't really see anything because it's nighttime. And yeah, I don't think we really need to see the road at night. So hopefully when we're coming up to Plantation, I'll come back. Yeah, I would assume so. Holy fuck, it's so packed. Yo, the live band is popping. Somebody tell me where you're going.
Too much crowd, them close off dining, but the food part out my neck, no food. The bar is for the food, that's it.
Oh, so there's no dining, but we can still order food?
Yeah, them close off dining. I too ram, not even see an empty table. Not even one. And most people at the bar too, I entertain cause
the live band?
Yeah, cause to the entertainment. Come talk to the server. Say them close off dining, fully done. Ram up.
Okay.
Still buy your food?
Mr. Like, I want my food, yes.
What? We're dying and we are there, look like people.
I'll take in a one. Hello?
Curfew now keep on yourself. Look for the parking lot alone, show you. What parking lot look? No man, I have a video this. Whatever they have a video look. Now the key, like that as well.
That's why I'ma try again. I was about to say that's me, Tanisha first. That's all.
Yeah, some good
it sounds similar.
Yeah, people, place extra ram, them close off time.
Yo.
Because over there dead for coming after
So you heard, babe.
Food and dine outside.
Can't go inside.
Entertainment are going on.
So guys, we're here. Yeah, I know. This is really at the heart of the floor. That's so cute. Okay, so the vibes are cool. Like it's a nice place. Babe, I feel like I want to come back here in the day. Yeah, like this is nice. This is nice. So they have the live band over there. Hold on. Okay guys, be right back. Oh. Let me see if I can get an outfit. Oh no, it's so dark. Never mind. I'll make Babe record it when he's done. But I look cute. my heels in the car because they said there was no dining, so baby was not walking in here in no heels. We have a girl. Okay, but the vibes are so nice. Like, okay. Oh, okay. Now the food. No, I have to come back here again, you guys, like in the day to actually like sit down and get like their food, like presentation. Good. No, where y'all go? Yeah, no. Because it's my last weekend as a 30-year-old. Getting our food, guys. I'm excited, man. Like the presentation of their stuff is so cute. It's nice. So I have to come back for you. Come on, get them treatment there, you see me? Yeah. Even like the presentation of them something. Yeah, like it's nice. It's really nice. Nice, bud. That's our waist, man. You know your song. We're talking about waist, man. And no things to talk about. Let me tell you about my new man. From water out. New man in our life. See me ring finger, yeah. My son wife. Him say it too good, him have to wipe it. 10 Tory in a one drop. What kind of car him drive? Them 5 drops of red leather inside. Swear him about 6'5". Big bulls are 2 on him right hand. But that sound like my man. Yellow where your man come from. New Kingston. We messing with the same damn day. Battery exhausted too. Call me in. Back in business. Hold on. Me just want you get in again, man. Babe, you want to put the food down and come back? Girls ever in the one thing about over here, guys, ain't nobody wearing a motherfucking mask. Nobody. Like, nobody. And normally before you enter a place, like there's somebody checking temperatures and all of that kind of stuff. There's nothing of that. So you have to be careful.
Extra careful.
He calls me Corona Police. Watch out. You know, say everything I bleed over and I'm the amount. Anyway, soon come, guys. Babe's gonna piss. Anyways, guys, we're home. We're home. I want to show you guys my outfit. No, I didn't show them in the vlog. How can I show them in the dark? I said my outfit.
No, that's not gonna say that.
Where's oh, never mind. Anyways, hope you guys can see me. Husband rates my outfit. No, I never wore this skirt in the video. Oh. Remember, I wore this top with the cheetah shorts.
You actually better me not to give a 9.
Yes, this is why I was waiting for it. You know, so skirt from Shein, guys. The top you would have seen in the video from Shein as well. And then my little black heels that I was wearing. Yeah, girl. I'm that girl. Okay, guys, let me show you the food. Actually, hold on. Let me wash my hands first.
Them oxtail gravy, them actually give oxtail. So I look at eat at restaurant them and now getting oxtail and the gravy. Big plan.
So guys, babe got roast yam. You got oxtail with some oxtail gravy and rice and peas. And for myself, I got pork, salad, oxtail gravy, fries. And because I can't announce anything by myself, mac and cheese. So I'm gonna grow up, guys, and come back because Goody is hungry a little bit. I had a little food, but I'm so hungry still. So yeah, girl, me I go consume this and then go to my bed. Cause Goody, I'm a little bit tired. Yo, driving is tiring. Driving is tiring.
It's a long journey. I can't drive in a boat more.
Driving is really.
Imagine the driver. You are driving go back again?
No, man. This is not my TV.
True.
Macaroni and cheese. No.
American
Long distance loving.